Hello everyone. The customer just knocked on the door and they said I'm green. Yeah, my green light is green. I got here at 11:15 last night and I had a hard time back in here because this is not my favorite customer at all to come because it's hard to back. There's not enough room. I show you. Because this is the road and the traffic. That's the only room I got in the front to pull up forward. So you don't want to hit that tree. So I had a hard time backing in this dock because this here the traffic, and that's the only room. That's the only room I got in the front. So when you get on this situation like this, I have to pull up way over there in the street and then back into here. You know, I held the traffic last night. They don't have enough room. I'm gonna pull up right here in the street and close my trailer. Now I'm gonna pull up. I don't care if I'm gonna hold the traffic. Yeah, this is the customer that I come over here and go to all the way to Carolina, North Carolina. This is in Blacksburg, Virginia. And it's hard to, I have to come here early and spend the night last night because if I wait till the next day, it's hard to back into that door because there's a lot of trucks. So now I'm in the, I better use my flasher. See, I pull up right here along the road, and there's another truck coming. You're gonna have a hard time backing too. Oh, see, that's how he done it, like that. Okay, I see it now. But if I had to pull, I have to move away from there because if I don't, he's gonna have a hard time getting in the back, getting in the door. So I'm gonna close my trailer. I don't have really that much right now. I'm dummy. Look what happened to my door. Uh-oh, my door is stuck. That's all right. Got it. Let's go. It's raining again. Oh my goodness. And the traffic too. Holy cow. I always run into rain lately. All the motorcycle. All right, stop again. Stop and go, stop and go. Man.